Welcome back, fellow investors, to our channel. If you're someone who wants to make great profits in the stock market, but you don't consider yourself a financial expert, then you're in the right place. Today, we have an exciting topic for you: how to book great profits even if you're not a great investor, only by tracking your portfolio stocks in the best possible way. We often hear people saying, investing in the stock market is risky, or only seasoned investors can make big profits. But we believe that with the right approach and disciplined portfolio tracking, even beginners can achieve remarkable results. So, stick around, because we're about to share some game-changing insights that will boost your investment journey. First, importance of tracking your portfolio. Before we dive into the strategies, let's talk about the importance of tracking your portfolio. Think of your investment portfolio as a garden. If you don't water and nourish the plants regularly, they won't grow as expected. Similarly, by actively monitoring your stocks, you can make informed decisions and seize profitable opportunities. Second is set clear investment goals. Setting clear investment goals is the first step towards success. Define your financial objectives and time horizon. Are you looking for short-term gains or long-term wealth creation? Having clear goals will help you pick the right stocks and stay focused. Third is research and diversify. Research is the backbone of successful investing. Don't just follow the crowd, conduct thorough research on the companies you're interested in. Look for factors like financial health, growth potential, and competitive advantage. And remember, never put all your eggs in one basket, diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. Fourth is keep emotions in check. Emotions can cloud judgment, leading to impulsive decisions. Avoid making investment choices based on fear or greed. Staying rational during market fluctuations is crucial for long-term success. Fifth is leveraging technology. We live in a digital age, and technology can be your best ally in tracking your portfolio. Many apps and tools can help you monitor your stocks, set alerts, and analyze performance. Utilize these resources to stay updated and make data-driven decisions. Sixth is regular reviews and adjustments. Investing is an ongoing process. Schedule regular portfolio reviews to assess the performance of your stocks. If a stock is not performing as expected or if your investment goals change, don't hesitate to make adjustments. Seventh is seek professional advice. If you're unsure about certain aspects of investing or need guidance, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. A financial advisor can offer personalized insights and help you make better informed choices. Before we proceed further, I have an invaluable offer to share with you. As part of our commitment to empowering investors like you, we are delighted to offer a complimentary, personalized one-on-one consultation lasting 30 minutes. This exclusive opportunity allows you to discuss all your investment and portfolio tracking inquiries with our team of experts. Our primary goal is to help you succeed in the world of investing by providing a comprehensive 4-phase strategy specially tailored to your unique portfolio stocks. This strategy simplifies the decision-making process, categorizing your stocks as hold, exit, enter, or stay away, enabling you to make well-informed choices confidently. To secure your spot for this invaluable consultation, all you need to do is send us an email or a message. Detailed instructions are available in the description below. Don't miss out on this fantastic chance to take charge of your investments and optimize your portfolio for success. We look forward to assisting you on your journey towards financial prosperity. And final, 8 is learn from your mistakes. Don't be disheartened by any mistakes you might make. Every investor faces setbacks. Instead, view them as valuable learning experiences. Analyze what went wrong and use that knowledge to improve your future decisions. There you have it, our fellow investors, a roadmap to booking great profits in the stock market without being a financial wizard. Remember to track your portfolio diligently, set clear goals, research and diversify, keep emotions in check, and leverage technology to your advantage. Investing is a journey of growth and learning, and with the right approach, you too can achieve financial success. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Until next time, happy investing. Thanks for watching.